In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a price range on Tradingview with a quick and easy guide you can follow step by step. First, make sure you're on any chart inside Tradingview. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the section that contains the forecasting and measurement tools. Go ahead and click on that icon to open up the list of tools available. From that list, find and click on the option called Price Range. This is the tool we'll be working with. Once it's selected, your cursor will change and you're ready to draw on the chart. Now, move your cursor to the chart and click on the first point where you want your price range to start. This could be a swing low, a swing high, or any reference point you're analyzing. After your first click, move your cursor to the second point on the chart where you want the price range to end and click again. Tradingview will automatically create a price range box between those 2 points. This price range tool shows you how much price has moved between those two levels. It can display the difference in price, the percentage move, and the number of bars or candles in that range. It's really useful for measuring moves, back-testing ideas, or visualizing your targets and stop areas. You're not locked into where you first placed it. You can click and drag the whole price range to move it anywhere on the chart. You can also drag the edges to adjust the start or end points if you want to refine your measurement. You can customize the look of your price range so it fits your chart style. When the tool is selected, you'll see options to work with templates. Click on templates if you want to save or reuse a particular style. You can change the main color, adjust the background color to make it more or less transparent, and set the text and line tool color so everything is easy to read. You can also change the line width to make the borders thinner or thicker. For more detailed control, click on Settings. Here you can fine-tune what's displayed and how it looks. If you want to keep the price range from accidentally moving, click on Lock. When you're done with a specific range, you can click on Remove to delete it from the chart. If you see 3 dots or a More menu near the tool, click that to access additional options and management features. Overall, the Price Range tool on Tradingview is a simple but powerful way to measure and visualize price movement, helping you analyze the market with more clarity and confidence.